One common attribute shared by most people in theater and dance is a busy schedule. This can make it really difficult to get people together to have a meeting. One of the things I wanted to discuss today was the idea of online tools that enable us to get people together for meetings. If you've ever been in that type of situation where you need to send out 23 emails for each person involved with a meeting and try to determine just exactly when everyone's schedules can align, you know how difficult that situation can be. Well, today, two of the tools that I wanted to show you are actually free websites that are available for use in scheduling people's meetings. One is called Meeting Wizard, and one is called When is Good. In order to use Meeting Wizard, you first need to set up an account. Once you've gone through the process of setting up an account, creating a meeting request is really easy. So if you click here on Create a Meeting Request, it'll open up a window that gives you a few different options. You can either propose one or more dates or times, or just announce a specific start date and time. I'm going to go ahead and choose propose one or more dates and say continue. And you can see in this window, it gives you the opportunity to list the day as well as the date. So let's go ahead and say that Thursday, August the 6th will be our date. And our starting time would be 10 a.m. And I'm going to go ahead and say add. And I can go through this process and simply select a number of different possibilities of times and add those to the list. Looking down below, I'm also going to indicate how long I think the meeting will be. In this case, let's say the meeting will be 1 hour, and I can say approximately, as well as indicating which time zone it is, Eastern, Central, so on. So I'm going to go ahead and put in those times and say continue. And then in the next list, it will give me an opportunity to name this meeting. I'm going to call it Fall Meeting, and then include email addresses of people I would like to invite. I can include a message as well as a proposed location and go ahead and send this off to any of the people listed. It will give them an invitation to come to the website and tell when they are available for the meeting. Once everyone has responded, the meeting creator will get an email back that tells when most people are available. You can go down the list and then determine when is the best time for the meeting. When is Good operates in a very similar fashion to Meeting Wizard. I'm going to go ahead and click on Get Started so that we can set up a meeting. The first thing that you'll notice is that it gives you a window of certain dates that are available for your time. When you look at the date that you would like for your meeting, simply click and slide down to paint the times that you are available. Now you can do that with your mouse by holding it down and sliding, or you can just select individual times like so. Once you've selected all of the times that you would like to be able to meet, go ahead and name your event and click on Create Event. This will give you a code that is linked to your specific event. Now make sure to write this down so that you can access your information later. Once you have written the code down, it will give you a link to send to your invitees to allow them to paint in when they are available for the meeting. Once they have done so, you can follow this link to find out when people are available and then go ahead and send out a notification to everyone in terms of when your meeting will be held. It's as simple as that.